Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to calculate fields in pivot table. So let's start this in Excel, and here you can see I have data. In this data you can see the quantity column and unit price column is available. And here I want the total amount column. Okay. So in pivot table we will calculate the fields. Okay, both fields, the quantity and unit price. So let's see how it's done. So here I'm going to create first pivot table. Okay, to create pivot table, simply select the inside the cell of this data. Then go to the insert tab. In tables group, have a pivot table option. Click on this drop down arrow and click on the from table or range option. And here you can see the one dialog box is open, pivot table from table or range. Then first option here, to select a table or range. The range is automatically selected here. You can see the range. And the second option, choose where you want the pivot table to be placed. So new worksheet. Okay, new worksheet. Just select the new worksheet and click on OK. And that's it. You can see the new worksheet is added with the pivot table fields right hand side. And the pivot table analysis tab and design tab also here added. Now I'm going to add this field below the area to create a pivot. So I add some fields here. So I just add the product in group. Okay, quantity in values group, values area, and unit price in values area, same as you can see here. You can see here the pivot table is ready. Okay. Now here I want the total amount price. Okay. Quantity multiply into the unit price. So for that, we just select the inside the cell of this pivot table and go to the pivot table analysis. In calculation group, have one option fields, item, and sets. Click on this drop down arrow and click on the first option, calculated fields. And here you can see the insert calculated fields dialog box is open. The first option, name, you can change here the name also. So I just enter here the amount. Okay. And the formula is equal to 0. So remove this 0. Then here you can see the field list. The field list, those are available in your data. So those are columns available in your data. Okay. So order ID, date, customer name, product, category, quantity, and unit price. And here I'm going to create the formula. So I want the total amount. Okay. So I select first quantity, then click on the insert field. You can see the quantity field is added. Then I use here the asterisk sign. So you can just use the keyboard to add the asterisk sign. Okay, so I add here the multiply sign. Then I select the unit price. Okay, then click on the insert field. Now you can see the formula is ready, is equal to quantity into, you can say multiply, so quantity multiply the unit price. Okay, then click on the OK, and that's it. Here you can see the sum of amounts column is added, quantity into unit price. Okay. So that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.